Hello. Hi. Oh, you're fixing to eat? Oh, what kind of treats do you like? Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. And then you're gonna go walking? What? You wanna go for a walk? Yeah, I think we do too. What are you gonna cook? Oh, and then you're gonna eat at 4? At 4:30? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Are you? Oh, yeah. I know you're hungry. I know you're really hungry. And then you're gonna go outside and then walk around the block. Okay. Yeah, that sounds fun. Do you want to do that? Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. But I think we need to eat first. Okay. I'll see you then. Outside. Yeah, outside.